As we approach 2025, we proudly mark 20 years since the ambitious establishment of VZMD, the Pan-Slovenian Investors and Stakeholders Association. This non-governmental organization emerged spontaneously as a civil society movement, responding to the growing need for uniting and fostering organized and thoughtful representation of minority shareholders, financial services users, and consumers in general. We take pride in having successfully continued and strengthened our comprehensive efforts to protect the rights, investments, and interests of small shareholders, individual investors, and consumers in Slovenia, across Europe, and globally. Over 2 decades, we have established and solidified our role as a credible and respected participant in legislative drafting, decision-making on the future of numerous economic entities, and within the broader societal, European, and international contexts. The year 2024 was also marked by numerous judicial and extrajudicial proceedings aimed at protecting small stakeholders and asserting interests under the civil initiative Share Support, and thousands of shareholder agreements within VZMD. The year additionally stood out for collective lawsuits against telecommunications operators due to damages incurred by nearly 1.5 million Slovenian subscribers, estimated at over 250 million euros. After more than a decade of extensive efforts, this year also saw significant progress toward addressing the harm done to over 100,000 expropriated holders of shares and bonds of Slovenian banks. As always, and with an even stronger professional team, VZMD will continue striving for a constructive and as effective resolution as possible to this outrageous injustice and prolonged ordeal, which has significantly impacted Slovenia's capital market and eroded trust in it, both domestically and internationally. We maintain an ongoing and constructive dialogue with virtually all players in the capital market and the Slovenian and regional economic sphere, while successfully placing our initiatives and activities in the international arena. This is evidenced by our active memberships in all relevant international associations, the European Federation of Investors and Financial Services Users, Better Finance, the World Federation of Investors, and the Convention of Independent Financial Advisors. Moreover, VZMD's international recognition and influence are reflected in the appointment of its founder and longtime president, Mr. Christian Verbic, to multiple consultative groups within the European Securities and Markets Authority, this year additionally to the Investor Protection Standing Committee, as well as to the European Commission's Financial Services User Group, and his repeated elections to the executive committees of both the European and World Federation of Investors. Through its international business investor programs, Invest to Slovenia and the International Investors Network, VZMD has, since their inception and through international investor conferences organized also in Slovenia, ensured effective representation of companies, institutions, and projects at prominent international events as we establish significant business and investor contacts, ties, and collaborations for our partners around the world. To date, we have organized over 80 international tours and facilitated active representation and presentations at more than 200 international business conferences and investor meetings in over 50 countries on 5 continents. This year alone, we participated in events in Miami, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, San Marcos, Ghent, Brussels, Sofia, Vilnius, Milan, Budapest, Shanghai, Paris, Brussels, and Frankfurt-Wiesbaden. This has been achieved also in collaboration with prominent domestic and international partners, including the European and World Federation of Investors, 65 national shareholder and investor associations, the Convention of Independent Financial Advisors, the European Issuers Association, the European Business Angels Network, the Association of the Luxembourg Fund Industry, the World Law Congress, the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia, Spirit Slovenia, the Slovene Consumers Association, and many others. As we have confidently and decisively demonstrated, often in challenging circumstances, facing various pressures, and without any public or budgetary funding, we have built a credible, esteemed, and influential institution. We will continue to pursue our mission with determination, ensuring the effective protection of the rights, investments, and interests of small stakeholders, fostering balanced processes and decision-making within economic entities and society as a whole, improving conditions for consumers and services users, including in the financial and capital markets, and steadfastly advocating for the minorities and a common man. With creativity, resolve, and a forward-looking approach, VZMD will tirelessly work toward a more favorable position for a single individual as well as the community as a whole.